Hello world, welcome to codingscientist.com. We are here today with lesson number 21 or project number 21 you may call it as, and this is called Funny Python Image Converter. Now there are large number of image file formats that are available for storing graphical data, or the most popular being the JPG to JPEG to PNG converter, right? There are loads of applications available free of cost in Google. In this particular project, using Python, I will walk you through how to create an image converter using a GUI open source library with Python to convert PNG to JPG or JPG to PNG, right? It's pretty simple, guys. So let me share my code. So it's just about what, about 28 lines of code. It's pretty straightforward. Basically, I'm importing the Tkinter app, which, as in the last previous lessons, couple of lessons, I showed you how to install this library and start using it. And then from the Tkinter, I'm using the file dialog box and then PIL, right? So what basically happens is, in order to create an image converter GUI with Python, we will be using the Tkinter library, which is also the best known Python framework for building GUI application. Other than Tkinter, we also need PIL library. I hope you guys have installed this, which I showed you how to do that in lesson number 0, right? So the PIL library in Python, which stands for Python Imaging Library. These libraries are used very intensively along with OpenCV and a couple of other applications for vision processing stuffs. So once you run this code, in the output window, it will work the same way as any other open source applications which is available in Google, right? You first need to select the PNG file and then click on the button to convert the PNG to JPEG, right? Then you can select the folder and do some modification. Let me show you how this works. So let's run this code, and then we will do some other alternatives. So let me just see. All right, let me just run this code, and here you can see a nice box. So in this box you can select the PNG file, and anywhere wherever you save the PNG file, either on your desktop or any of your machines, and then convert the PNG file to JPEG. You need to click this button, it will automatically convert and again take you back to the save. Wherever you want to save it, you can save it. Now similar way, I know this is pretty silly and simple application, but the real trick is how you are going to modify this, how you can build some other interesting application using this code. It's pretty straightforward to understand. I don't have to explain line by line, since I am assuming that you guys are not beginners, you have finished all the basic training on Python. So go through this code, try to modify it, build your own application. All right guys, that's it for this lesson. I am going to come back to you soon with more interesting projects. Goodbye.